Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes of mathematics. Today's topic is numbers up to 1000. In last video, I have introduced already about the numbers up to 200. When we read three-digit number, firstly we read the 100 place, means 5. Then we read the tens and ones place, together means 61. So we have to read out 561. So students, let's complete the missing numbers. 561, then 562, 563, 564, 565, 566. So come to the next. 700. Firstly we have to read 100 place, then we have to read tens and one place together. 735, 736, 737, 738, 739, then 740. Come to the next. 868, 869, 870, 871, 872, 873. Come to the next example. 993. After that, 994, 995, 996, 997, then 998. Let's come to the next module. Look at the abacus. Here are two examples of abacus. Write the number and the number name. So friends, firstly look at the abacus. There are three spikes. One for ones, second for tens, and third for 100. So friends, firstly we have to count the bits on the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5 bits on the ones place. And how many bits on the tens place? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 100 place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to take a number 645. What's the number? 645. Let's write the number in the number name. 645. Come to the next example. How many beads on the ones place? 3. On the tens place, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on the 100 place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We get a number. What is the number? 763. That is the form of the number. 763. Let's write the number name. 763. Write the spelling of 100 and the numbers. So come to the next module. Place value. What is a place value? The value of a digit based on its place in a number is called its place value. Let's how do we find the place value? We have given a number 697. Then what is the place value of 7? 7 is on the ones place, 9 is on the tens place, and 6 is on the 100 place. So the place value of 7 is 7 ones. The place value of 9 is 9 tens. And the place value of 6 is on the 100 place. So the place value of 6 is 600. So students, when we have to find out the place value, we have to look at the place of the digit. So it is depend on the value of a digit on its place. So come to the next module, face value. What is a face value? Face value of any digit in a given number is the value of the digit itself. That is no matter what is the place of the digit. For example, in 745, the face value of 7 is 7. The face value of 4 is 4. The face value of 5 is 5. In this case, there is no matter of the value. Let's come to the next module, expanded form. Beta, what is an expanded form? When a number is written as the sum of the place values. Beta, what are the place values? You already know about the place values. When we have to write down the sum of the place values, that is called the expanded form. Let's do the example of an expanded form. We have given a number 764. So firstly we have to expand it. How do we expand it? Look here, 7 is at the 100 place. So the place value of 7 is 700. Ones, tens and 100. 6 is on the 10th place. So the place value of 6 is 60. And 4 is on the 1st place. So the place value of 4 is 4. So students, that is the expanded form of 764. We have to write here also 700 plus 6 tens plus 4 ones. Now come to the next example, 904. Students, listen carefully, that is the main point. 0 is always a 0 when they are in any place. That is on the 1st place, on the 10th place, on the 100th place. The place value of 0 is always 0. So 4 is on the 1st place, 0 is on the 10th place, and 9 is on the 100th place. So let's write in the expanded form. So the place value of 9 is 900. The place value of 0 is 0. And the place value of 4 is 4. Or we have to write 900 plus 4 ones. So students, come to the next module, short form. What is a short form? Short form of a number is given by the combining the face value of each digit. Firstly, we have to find out the face value. Face value is always the same. That is known on the basis of the place values. So 600 plus 40 plus 7. But what point is there? They are written on the correct place. Means ones, tens and 100. They all, the numbers are written on the correct place. Ones, tens and 100. Left side of the short form of the number 600 plus 40 plus 7. So students, look here, 7. The face value of 7 is 7. That is on the 1st place. 40, the place value of 40 is 4 only. So it is on the 10th place. And the 600, that's face value is 6. Face value of 600 is 6. Face value of 40 is 4. And the face value of 7 is 7. And they are on the correct place. So students, this is the short form of the number, this number. 500 plus 4. So since the face value of 500 is 5. And there is no tenth place, so we have to put here 0. And 4, the face value of 4 is 4. So the short form of the 500 plus 4 is 504. Come to the next module, comparing number. To compare the number, firstly we have to compare the hundred place, then we compare the tens place, and after that we have to compare the ones place. So students, firstly we have to compare the hundred place. On the hundred place there is 2 and there is 3. So students, 2 is smaller than 3. That is the sign of the smaller than. So this number is 254 is smaller than 358. This is the way to compare the numbers. To on the basis of the comparing the number, we have to write down the ordering of the number. Ascending order or descending order. Ascending order is also called the increasing order. So student, firstly we have to compare the number. Ascending order means smaller number to the largest number. Firstly we have to find the smallest number. Here firstly we have to compare the hundred place. On the hundred place is 9, hundred place is 4, hundred place is 2 and hundred place is 8. So which is the smallest number? 215. Then greater than the 215 is 467. Greater number of 467 is 864. And the greatest number is 951. So students, we have to arrange these numbers into the ascending order. From smallest number to the greatest number. Come to the next, descending order. Descending order is also called the decreasing order. That is written as the from the largest number to the smallest number. So firstly we have to find out the greatest number from these numbers. So we have to compare the hundred place. Hundred place is 2, hundred place is 3, hundred place is 2 and hundred place is 1. So which is the smallest number, greatest number? 3. So we have to write here the greatest number 322. So friend, look here. In both cases the hundred place is same, 213 and 231. If the hundred place is same, so we have to compare the tens place. In this number the tens place is 1 and the tens place is 3. So which is the greater, 1 or 3? 3 is greater. So firstly we have to the greater number. After that we have to write the smaller number. And which is the smallest number? 130. This is the descending order of these numbers. So come to the last example. 416, 524, 671, 110. So friends, firstly we have to compare the 100 digit. 100 place, here is 4, 5, 6, 1. So firstly we have to write down the greatest number. 6 is the greatest number from all these numbers. So the greatest number is 670. Smaller number from 617 is 5. 521. Smaller number of 521 is 416. And the smallest number is 110. So students, you have to read all these expanded forms, short form, comparing number, ordering number, all these examples and do practice at home. So students, let's take a revision of these. These are expanded form when we have to write down some of their place values. Short form when we have to combine the face values. And ordering number, firstly we have to find the comparing number. Then we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means from smallest number to the greatest number, and from in the descending order from greatest number to the smallest number. Okay students,